How to download Telegram application on your phone. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to download Telegram on your phone. If you guys didn't know, Telegram is a cloud-based messaging app known for its speed, security, and versatility. It's a messaging app like WhatsApp, Signal, or iMessage, and it is usually preferred because of its privacy and security, because it offers end-to-end encryption chat and it has no ads. You could also use usernames and add phone numbers to your account. Main key features of this app is that you can have a group chat up to 200,000 members. So let's see how you can download this wonderful application. Simply open up your Google Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar, and then simply search for Telegram. You'll see a Telegram something like this. You can download it, or you could have alternative Telegrams like Telegram X. So this is a developer's version of Telegram where you have beta testing and unreleased features will be out here for testing as well. So you could use this, or you could just tap on this install button to download Telegram. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.